Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The federal estate tax threshold rose to $24.12 million in 2022 for married couples and $12.06 million for individuals, as part of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, TCJA. Like several TCJA provisions, the higher estate tax limit is due to sunset in 2025. Barring congressional action, the exemption amount will return to about $6.2 million, adjusted for inflation, in 2026. Similarly, the current 40% maximum gift and estate tax rate will increase to 45%. For high net worth individuals, this could influence wealth transfer strategies. Although this sunset is coming, the good news is that it's still a few years away. And there's more good news. Your financial professional can help you with your estate strategy, regardless of whether Congress decides to maintain the current threshold. Now may be an excellent time to get together and start thinking about your post-2025 strategy. I look forward to your call. The 2017 Tax Cut and Jobs Act was a significant piece of legislation that made changes to the tax code. One of the most significant changes was the repeal of the estate tax, which had previously been in place for decades. This change has caused some controversy, as some people believe that it will benefit the wealthy more than the middle class. However, the overall impact of the tax cut is still being debated and analyzed. There are many different opinions on how it will affect the economy in the long run. Some say that it will lead to more jobs and economic growth, while others believe that it may cause deficits to balloon. The truth is that no one really knows for sure what will happen. However, one thing is certain: the repeal of the estate tax will have a big impact on legacy planning. For those who are not familiar with the term, legacy planning is the process of making sure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes after you die. This can be a complex process, especially if you have a large estate. With the repeal of the estate tax, there is now a larger potential for heirs to receive a larger inheritance than before. This could have a significant impact on their lives, and it is something that you should consider. If you have a large estate, you may want to consider using a trust to protect your assets. A trust can help to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and can also help to minimize taxes. Trusts can be complex, so it is important to work with an experienced attorney or financial advisor to create one that meets your needs. The repeal of the estate tax is just one of the many changes that was made by the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. You should speak with a qualified tax professional to discuss how these changes may impact you and your family.